The Mazda MX-30 REV is equipped with an electric motor, but also with a combustion engine, the redesigned Mazda rotary engine. The oil consumption of this engine may be higher when it is new due to the running-in process. Therefore, your rotary engine might need an oil refill before the normal oil maintenance period. If your car indicates a low oil level, we offer a free refill service for this model within the first year after warranty registration. Refilling the oil is simple, and you can also do it yourself if you want to spare a visit to the dealer. For this task, you received a welcome kit including the oil. Open the bonnet by pulling the release handle. Have your kit and some paper or cloth ready. To begin with topping up the oil, place a cloth around the oil filler cap. This avoids drops of the oil on the motor department, as it could cause a fire on parts which can get extremely hot while the engine is running. Now put on the gloves and remove the engine oil filler cap by turning it counterclockwise. Place the funnel in the oil filler. Now start to fill in the oil carefully. Be sure to only refill suitable types of engine oil with the correct oil specification and oil viscosity. Fill with the full 1 liter of oil provided. When you're done, put the oil filler cap back on. Remove the cloth, close the bonnet, and you're done, ready for your next trip.